Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Angie, and on my channel I do all things homemaking. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for being here and welcome. And if you're a subscriber, I just want to thank you so much for your support. Today I'll be doing some summer projects around my house, and I wanted to invite you to join me. I hope you enjoy the video. I was just showing you some ideas that I got on Pinterest for different potted plant ideas. I like looking on there for inspiration because they have a variety of different ideas. The majority of these plants I found at the Growers Outlet, which is a place near Loganville, Georgia. And when you buy from them, you're buying direct from the growers, so there's no middleman and you get great prices. And they sell all kinds of plants. And they're only open a couple months out of the year around Mother's Day, but they have great prices, and you can buy flowers that are bigger than what you would get other places for really good prices. So I've had these plants for a week. I just haven't had the time to come out and do this yet. So today I'm really making it a priority to get all these things planted. On the Growers Outlet website, they have everything that they are going to have in stock. If you get there before they sell out, they have really good information on each of the plants that they're selling. And so I try to plan my trip. It's probably like 30-35 minutes from my house, and I try to plan ahead what I want to buy, where I'm going to put it after I plant it, and have everything planned out so that when I get there I can just look up everything. And because it's kind of overwhelming because the place has a lot, and so I always try to plan my trip out ahead of time. In this first pot I have some caladium, which is the red leaf you plant towards the back. I also have some coleus, which is the green and the purple leafy plants that I'm putting in there. And then there's a red petunia flower, and the vines hanging over the edge, the light green vine, that is a potato vine. This was actually a big hanging basket that I found at Lowe's. I love the colors of this. It's just a multicolored, like, little petunias, and it had a Hawaiian name to it, but it's like oranges and fuchsia and yellow and purple. It was just really pretty. And then I planted some potato vine in that also. In these little bronze pots, I'm planting some bronze leaf begonias. I guess they're called that because the leaves have kind of a bronzy color to them that are really pretty. And I'm also planting some creeping jenny in them that will grow and hang over the sides. So in these blue pots I'm planting some pink vinca, and I'm gonna plant some coleus next to them, this purple coleus, and then also some more of that creeping jenny. I believe that big red leafy plant is a type of elephant ear plant, and I'm planting some coleus in here with it, and on the side here I'm planting some basil. Hopefully it'll do okay there. I like having my herbs near my door because my kitchen's right there, so I'm hoping they'll do okay together. There's Bailey coming over to see what I'm doing. This vining plant is a variegated vinca plant that I actually got out of my yard. I had this planted in a pot either last year or the year before, and it spread into my yard, and I have a whole bed that's now covered in this just from the pot that I planted it in. So I'm trying to reuse it in this pot. I don't know if it'll take or not, but it's very hard to dig up without breaking the roots because they get so embedded into the ground here. But I'm hoping it'll work. So this is what I have planted so far. I still have a few plants that I need to plant in near our driveway, but this is most of the plants that I had. So I'm anxious to see what it'll look like when it all fills out. Now going into the next project I have, I bought this cute post box off of Amazon, and I had seen somebody else do a flower arrangement for their door in it, and I thought it would be a cute idea to do a flower arrangement for the 4th of July. So I found this kind of bush, this greenery type bush at Hobby Lobby, and it's cute because the little ends, where the buds are, they actually look like stars. You can see them better right there. I was trying to do this at the table, but it was just kind of awkward trying to hold the post box up. Much easier hanging it on the door to do it. Which, if you can, always get your florals on sale, because I know Michael's and Hobby Lobby both have 40 to 50% off. I know Hobby Lobby does every other week. I'm not sure about Michael's. But that greenery bunch, regular price was $15, and I got it for $7.50 at Hobby Lobby, which $15 I think would have been too much. So I've got a hydrangea in there, and now I'm adding some kind of off-white geraniums. Which I think are really pretty. I like the off-white color. And here's some little red poppies that I found. It just adds to the patriotic color theme. Now I'm gonna kind of arrange and pull them through so that you have a little bit of red in different sections here. Of course, you can't have a patriotic floral arrangement without putting a flag in it, or something flag related. So this is what the finished project looked like. I hope you enjoyed it and got some new ideas. Thank you for being with me today. I'm so glad that you came. If you like my content, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.